Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do rational numbers. We have already studied about natural number, whole numbers, integer and also operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of all numbers. Numbers which are used for counting purpose are called counting numbers or natural numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these are whole numbers. Whole number including negative of natural numbers are called integers such as -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. You have also introduced to fraction number in the form of numerator upon denominator. A upon B are called fractions. In this chapter, we shall extend the number system further. We shall introduce the concept of rational number and various operation on rational numbers. So next is rational number. A number which can be expressed as A upon B. ऐसा नंबर जिसको हम a अपॉन b की फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं वेयर b इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. जो b है यानी कि डिनोमिनेटर दैट विल बी नॉट इक्वल टू 0 इज कॉल्ड द रैशनल नंबर. फॉर एग्जांपल -4 अपॉन 11. सो वी कैन राइट इन फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रैक्शन -4 अपॉन 11 वेयर न्यूमरेटर इज -4 एंड डिनोमिनेटर इज 11. सो दिस इज अ रैशनल नंबर. 5 upon 13, 9 upon 17, etc. All these are rational number. Next, tips. Rational number includes all natural number, whole number, integers and all fraction with the positive and negative sign. Next, some important point about rational numbers. Every natural number is a rational number. Since 2 can be written as 2 upon 1, 2 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 upon 1, so that is a rational number. 51 can be written as 51 upon 1 and so on. So all the natural numbers are rational numbers. Next, 0 is also a rational number. Since 0 can be written as 0 upon 1, so 0 is also a rational number. Every integer is also a rational number since -6 can be written as -6 upon 1, -816 can be written as -816 upon 1 and so on. So all these are rational numbers. Every fraction is a rational number. As we know that every natural number is an integer, so quotient of two integer is a rational number such as -4 upon 9, 6 upon 13, 17 upon -23, etc. In -4 upon 9, numerator is -4 and 9 is denominator. 7 upon -23, numerator is 17 and denominator is -23. Next, positive rational number. When numerator and denominator either both are positive or both are negative of a rational number, then it is said to be positive rational number. Means दोनों numerator and denominator either both are positive or both are negative, then that is a positive rational number. For example, 4 upon 11, both are positive numerator and denominator, so it is a positive rational number. And -5 upon -13, so both are negative, it is also a positive rational number because minus से minus cancel हो जाएगा. 5 upon 13, that is a positive rational number. Next, negative rational numbers. When numerator and denominator are of different sign, one positive other negative, then said to be a negative rational number such as -3 upon 14, numerator negative है, denominator positive है, so it is a negative rational number. Next, 14 upon -29, so 14 numerator is positive, again denominator is negative, so it is a negative rational number. For your convenience, we are giving a system of number in diagrammatic form. Numbers डिवाइड होते हैं रियल नंबर एंड इमेजिनरी नंबर. इमेजिनरी नंबर अभी आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है, वो आप हायर क्लासेस में पढ़ेंगे. रियल नंबर से डिवाइडेड रैशनल नंबर एंड इरैशनल नंबर. राइट नाउ विल रीड ओनली अबाउट रैशनल नंबर्स. Next is rational number. Rational number में include होते हैं integers, whole number and natural number. Now you can understand in better way how these number are interrelated. Some tips are given here. A fraction is a rational number, but a rational number may or may not be a fraction. Means एक fraction होगा that will always be a rational number, but rational number ज़रूरी नहीं है कि fraction हो, because it can have denominator as negative sign. Next, properties of rational numbers. Property 1. When a rational number a upon b is multiplied by the same non-zero number, then the value of rational number does not change. Like -2 upon 5 है, सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 से, सो -4 अपॉन 10. सो वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगी अगर न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को हम सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. We'll take an example. Write 5 equivalent rational number equivalent to the following rational number. First is -4 upon 9. So 5 equivalent लिखना है means we have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. First we multiply by 2, both numerator and denominator, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. So we'll get -8 upon 18, -12 upon 25, then -16 upon 36, -20 upon 45, -24 upon 54. So all these are equivalent rational number. Clear? All these are equivalent rational number. Next is property 2. When the rational number a upon b is divided by the same non-zero rational number, then the value of rational number does not change. Means if we divide numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number, so value will remain unchanged. Like here 64 upon 80, so both numerator and denominator are divided by 8, same number से क्या है, so we'll get 8 by 10. Since 8 is the common divisor of both the numerator and denominator, we will take an example. Express -36 upon 69 as a rational number with the numerator 12. So numerator हमें क्या चाहिए, 12. Here numerator is -36. 6 minus 36 divided by -3 will get 12. So same number, हमने numerator को जिस नंबर से डिवाइड किया, सेम नंबर से हम डिनोमिनेटर को भी डिवाइड करेंगे. So -36 divided by -3 upon 69 divided by -3 will get 12 upon -23. Clear? Next, lowest form, simplest form of rational number. The rational number a upon b is said to be in the lowest form or in the simplest form if a and b both have no common factor other than 1. Means numerator और denominator में 1 के अलावा कोई common factor नहीं होगा. That means they are in lowest form. Such as 13 upon 19, -17 upon 23. इसमें 1 के अलावा कोई भी common factor नहीं है, so they are in lowest form. A given rational number a upon b is not in the form of lowest form, then divide both the numerator and denominator by their HCF. अगर lowest form में नहीं है, what will we do to change it to lowest form? We will divide the numerator and denominator by their HCF. Next, standard form. A rational number is in the lowest term is said to be in the standard form if the denominator is positive. Example लेते हैं. Express the following rational number in standard form. First is -9 upon 54. So first हम क्या करेंगे, इसको lowest form में change करेंगे. HCF क्या होगा, HCF of 9 and 54 is 9. So we'll divide both the numerator and denominator by 9. We'll get -1 upon 6. Here denominator is already positive, so it is the standard form. Clear? Some more examples are given here to understand the concept better, so do practice them. Next is exercise 2a. First question is, which of the following are positive rational number? So positive rational number, this is positive rational number, this is also positive rational number, both are positive rational number because negative से negative cancel हो जाएगा. 8/11 and 16/17 both are positive rational numbers. Some more questions are given here, so you have to practice all the questions. Next is representation of rational number on the number line. So now we will understand how to represent the rational number on number line. Working step. Draw the number line as you have to first draw the number line like this. 0 right में positive and left में negative. Then divide equally the one part of the number line as many as the number belong to denominator of the given rational number. We will take an example, represent 1/5 and -2/5 on the number line. So solution हो जाएगा, denominator of given rational number is 5, denominator 1/5 में क्या है 5. So we'll divide one part of the number line into 5 small equal part as shown below. So first we'll draw a number line. Right में होगा because positive number है. So 5/5 किसको represent करेगा 1 को. So the number will be between 1/5 will be between 0 and 1. So we'll divide 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first part किसको represent करेगा 1/5, then 2/5, 3/5, 4/5 and 5/5, that is 1. So this way will represent 1/5 on number line and other rational number on number line. Clear? Next, comparison of rational number. Working step. First, positive rational number always greater than a negative rational number. Negative से हमेशा जो positive वाला है that will be greater. If both rational number have the same sign, the proceeding as follow. Same sign है तो क्या करेंगे? Express each one of the rational number with the positive denominator. Take LCM of the denominator of given rational number. Express each rational number with the same denominator equal to LCM. The number having the greater numerator is greater than other. We'll take an example. Compare the following rational number. First is -3/7 and 1/7. So here both have denominator 7. तो denominator same करने की जरूरत नहीं है because denominator already same है. Now we'll compare the numerator. Numerator is -3 and here is 1. So किसकी वैल्यू कम है -3. So -3 is less than 1. So 1/7 is greater than -3/7, or we can write -3/7 is less than 1/7. So this way we can compare the rational number. Clear? Next, some important properties of rational number. Here some properties are given. Property 1. For any rational number x, only one of the following is true. 1. X will be greater than 0, or x is less than 0, or x equals to 0. इनमें से कोई एक ट्रू हो सकता है. Property 2. For any two rational number x and y, only one of the following is true. X is greater than y, or y is greater than x, or x equals to y. Property 3. For any three rational number x, y and z, if x is greater than y and y is greater than z, then x is greater than z also. Next, absolute value of rational number. The absolute value of rational number is the rational number itself with positive sign, like p by q. इसकी absolute value क्या होगी? p upon q with positive sign. साइन को कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे, जो वैल्यू है वही होगी. लाइक एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ p by q, दिस इज द साइन ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू p by q itself. इफ नेगेटिव p by q है, उसकी भी क्या होगी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू p upon q. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. फाइंड द एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ -5/7. सो हम साइन को कंसीडर नहीं करते, जो भी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू होती है वही उसकी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू होती है. सो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ -5/7 is 5/7. Clear? Next, rational number between two rational number. how can we find the rational number between two rational number? We'll learn that. Working step. Convert the given rational number with the same denominator by taking LCM, then find the rational number between them. We'll take an example. Find three rational number between -4 and 1. So -4 can be written as -16 upon 4 and 1 can be written as 4 upon 4. So what we have done? -4 है, it can be written as -4 upon 1. So what we have done? हमने न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो क्या गया? -16 अपॉन 4. नेक्स्ट इज 1 अपॉन 1. अगेन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को हमने 4 से कर दिया, सो 4 अपॉन 4. नाउ वी कैन राइट द रैशनल नंबर बिटवीन -16 अपॉन 4 एंड 4 अपॉन 4. डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गया, -15 upon 4, -14 upon 4, -13, -12, like this, and then 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, like this. We can write many rational number, but we have to find only 3 rational number. That may be any of the above. में से कोई भी rational number आप लिख सकते हैं. Clear? Next is exercise 2B. Represent the following rational number on the number line. First is 1 by 4. So first we'll draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3. यहाँ पर नेगेटिव आ जाएगा, -1, -2, like this. So first is 1 by 4. पॉजिटिव है, डिनोमिनेटर is 4. 4 by 4 क्या होगा? 1. So the number will be between 0 and 1. So 4 division हो जाएंगे equal 1, 2, 3. First will represent 1 by 4. Then 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4 पे क्या आ जाएगा? 1. So this is 1 by 4. Clear? So you have to practice all the questions. We'll move to next topic. Next is addition of rational number. Working steps. When denominator of the given rational numbers are equal, add simply all the numerator and write the common denominator. If P upon Q and R upon Q are two rational number, both have same denominator Q, then P upon Q plus R upon Q equals to हो जाएगा P plus R upon Q. Example लेते हैं, add the following: 3 upon 17 and 7 upon 17. Both have same denominator 17, so simply we'll add numerator and write the common denominator below. So 3 upon 17 and 7 upon 17 को add करेंगे, so 3 plus 7 upon 17, that is 10 upon 17. Clear? अगर denominator same है तो simply we'll add the numerator and write the common denominator below. Next, when denominator of the given rational number are different. If denominators are different, what we'll do? We'll find the LCM of denominator, express the given number with the LCM, find their common denominator. Now add the resulting rational number as shown in the example 1 and above. अगर denominator different है तो हम क्या करेंगे? First we'll take the LCM of both the numbers. जो भी denominator उसका LCM लेंगे, then denominator को same करेंगे, then we will add. Some tips are given here. 0 is the only rational number which is its own negative. Means 0 का negative क्या होगा? 0. The negative of the rational number is also called the opposite of the rational number. We'll take an example. Add the following: -5 upon 21 and 3 upon 14. So here denominator are different. 21 है, यहाँ पे 14 है. So first what we'll do? We'll take LCM of 21 and 14. So LCM of 21 and 14 is 42. So we'll write the LCM here. First का denominator क्या है? 21. First हम 42 को 21 से divide करेंगे. So we'll get 2. जो भी क्वेश्चन आएगा उसको न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. मीन्स 5 -5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 प्लस अगेन 42 को डिवाइड करेंगे 14 से, we'll get 3. 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, so -10 plus 9 upon 42. Answer is -1 upon 42. Clear? अगर denominator different है, first we'll take the LCM, डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करेंगे, देन वी विल ऐड. नेक्स्ट इज प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एडिशन ऑन रैशनल नंबर. फर्स्ट इज क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी. The sum of two rational number is always a rational number. If P upon Q and R upon S are two rational number, then P upon Q plus R upon S is also a rational number. For example, 3 upon 7 and minus 4 upon 7 are two rational number. If we add them, we'll get minus 1 upon 7. That is also a rational number. Next is commutative property. The sum of two rational number remains same whatever the order of rational number. If P upon Q and R upon S are two rational number, then P upon Q plus R upon S, that is equals to R upon S plus P upon Q. For example, consider 2 by 5 and minus 3 upon 7 two rational number. Then 2 upon 5 plus minus 3 upon 7 LCM लेंगे 35, solve करेंगे, we'll get minus 1 upon 35. Now if we change the order, minus 3 upon 7 plus 2 upon 5, get the answer same, minus 1 upon 35. In both the case अगर order change कर दें but answer जो है that will remain same. That is commutative property. Next, associative property. The sum of the three or more rational number remains same whatever the grouping of the rational number. कोई भी grouping हो, sum है that will remain same. If P upon Q, R upon S and M upon M are three rational number, then P upon Q plus grouping कर देंगे R upon S plus M upon N, that is equals to P upon Q plus R upon S plus M upon N. Means grouping change करने के बाद भी the sum will remain unchanged. Then P upon Q plus R upon S plus M upon N, that is equals to P upon Q plus R upon S plus M upon N. For example, consider minus 2 by 5, 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 15. Three rational numbers. Then first हमने इन दोनों की grouping की है, then इसको solve किया, ये हो जाएगा minus 2 upon 5 plus इसको solve करेंगे 3 multiply by 3 plus 7 into 2 upon 30 minus 2 upon 5 plus 9 plus 14 upon 30 minus 2 upon 5 plus 23 upon 30. Solve करेंगे, we'll get 11 upon 30. Now we'll change the grouping. First we'll add both the numbers, then next number 7 for 15 उसमें add करेंगे. In this case again we'll get the answer 11 upon 30. So if we change the grouping, the sum will remain unchanged या same रहेगा sum. Clear? Next, rearrange property. According to rearrangement property, addition of rational number in the suitable easy grouping is known as rearrangement property. For example, simplify 3 upon 7 plus minus 2 upon 5 plus minus 8 upon 21 plus 1 upon 15. Solution हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? We will rearrange the rational number in suitable group. Now 3 upon 7 है, minus 2 upon 5 है, minus 8 upon 21 and 1 upon 15. So rearrange कैसे करेंगे? 7 and 21 को एक ग्रुप में कर लेंगे and 5 और 15 को एक ग्रुप में, because 21 that is the multiple of 7 and 15 is multiple of 5. So this way हम इसकी rearrangement कर लेंगे. Now we'll solve that. 7 और 21 का LCM लेंगे 21, इसको solve करेंगे, यह आ जाएगा 9 minus 8 upon 21. Here we'll take the LCM 15, solve करेंगे minus 6 plus 1 upon 15. So 1 upon 21 plus minus 5 upon 15. Again we'll take the LCM. LCM आ जाएगा 105, solve करेंगे, आंसर आ जाएगा minus 2 upon 7. So first हमने क्या किया? Rearrangement किया and then we'll add it. Next is property of zero. The sum of any rational number and zero is a rational number itself. Means किसी भी rational number में if we add zero, get the same rational number. So zero is called the identity element for the addition of rational number. For example, 4 upon 7 plus 0 will get 4 upon 7. Next, additive inverse. the sum of the rational number and negative of it is always 0, and negative of the rational number is called the additive inverse of the given rational number. If p upon q is a rational number, so उसका additive inverse क्या हो जाएगा, minus p upon q will be the additive inverse of p upon q, since p upon q plus minus p upon q will give you 0. We will take an example. Find the additive inverse of, first is 13 upon 17. We have to find the additive inverse of 13 upon 17. Additive inverse क्या हो जाएगा, minus 13 upon 17. Clear? So this way you can find the additive inverse of the given number. Next, exercise 2C. Add the following rational number. First is minus 5 upon 11 plus 3 upon 11. So both have the same denominator. Simply we'll add the numerator and write the common denominator below it. So minus 5 plus 3 upon 11, that is minus 2 upon 11. Clear? So you have to practice all the questions. We will move to next topic. Practice all these questions. We'll move to next topic. Our next topic is subtraction of rational numbers. Some tips are given. Subtraction is the inverse of addition. We add the negative of the number. The difference between two rational numbers is also a rational number. The ratio is expressed in the simplest form. If p upon q and r upon s are two rational numbers, then p upon q minus r upon s equals to क्या हो जाएगा, p upon q plus minus r upon s. We'll take an example. Subtract 4 upon 7 from 3 upon 14. 3 upon 14 में से we have to subtract 4 upon 7. So we'll write like this, 3 upon 14 minus 4 upon 7. Now denominator are different. We'll take LCM. 14 और 7 का LCM क्या आ जाएगा, 14. So हो जाएगा 3 into 1 minus 4 into 2 upon 14. 3 minus 8 upon 14, that is minus 5 1 14. So this way we'll subtract it. Next, some more examples are given here. Do practice them. Next is exercise 2D. First question, subtract the first number from the second number. First number को हमें subtract करना है second number में से. Clear? So first is 7 upon 18 and next number is minus 2. So what we have to do? Subtract first number from second number. Means minus 2 में से हमें subtract करना है 7 upon 18. Suppose 1 है, LCM लेंगे 18, that is minus 36 and minus 7. Minus 43 upon 18. Simplest form में है, so answer will be minus 43 upon 18. Clear? You have to practice all the question. We'll move to next topic. Next is multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplication or product of two or more rational number is just like the product of fraction, but remember the rules of sign as given below. Means positive को multiply करें, will get positive. Negative, again product will be positive. One is positive, other is negative, product will be negative. Again negative को positive से multiply करेंगे, product will be negative. We'll take an example. Find the product of 6 upon 13 and minus 26 upon 39. So 6 upon 13 multiply by minus 26 upon 39. न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से. 1 2 हो जाएगा एंड 13 minus 2. So answer will be minus 4 upon 13. Clear? Next, properties of multiplication of rational numbers. Some properties are given here. First is closure property. The product of two rational number is always a rational number. For example, minus 1 upon 7 multiplied by 3 upon 5 get minus 3 upon 35, which is a rational number. Means if you multiply two rational number, we will get a rational number. Next, commutative property. The product of two rational number remains same whatever the order of rational number. If P upon Q and R upon S are two rational number, then P upon Q into R upon S equals to R upon S multiplied by P upon Q. For example, consider the two rational number minus 4 upon 13 and 5 upon 9. So, minus 4 upon 13 multiplied by 5 upon 9, that is minus 20 upon 117. If we change the order, 5 upon 9 multiplied by minus 4 upon 13, again we get the same product, minus 20 upon 117. So, if we change the order, जो product होगा वो वही रहेगा, it will not change. Next, associative property. The product of three or more rational number remains same whatever the grouping of the rational number. If P upon Q, R upon S and M upon N are three rational number, then P upon Q multiplied by R upon S multiplied by M upon N, that is equals to P upon Q multiplied by R upon S multiplied by M upon N. For example, consider three rational number 4 upon 5, minus 6 upon 11 and 1 upon 5. So first हम इन दोनों ग्रुपिंग करेंगे, देन इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, विल गेट minus 24 upon 275. Now we'll change the grouping. Now we change the grouping. First we multiply these two numbers, then उसको 1 by 5 से multiply करेंगे. Again the answer is minus 24 upon 275. So अगर हम grouping change कर देते हैं, जो product है वो unchanged रहेगा, it will remain the same. Next, distributive property of multiplication over addition. If P upon Q and R upon S and M upon N are three rational number, then P upon Q multiplied by R upon S plus M upon N, that is equals to P upon Q multiplied by R upon S plus P upon Q multiplied by M upon N. Means P upon Q को दोनों नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. क्लियर? ब्रैकेट के बाद P upon Q है, फर्स्ट हम R upon S से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन प्लस का साइन है, देन P upon Q को M upon N से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. क्लियर? नाउ 7.4 multiplied by minus 5 upon 3 plus 6 upon 11. So what will do here? 7.4 multiplied by, हमने क्या किया, इसको सॉल्व किया, LCM लिया, then solve it, minus 259 upon 132. Now we use this property, minus 513 को 7.4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, प्लस का साइन लगाया, देन 7.4 को 6 अपॉन 11 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, देन उनको सॉल्व किया हमने. अगेन द आंसर इज minus 259 अपॉन 132. क्लियर? जो आंसर है दोनों केस में सेम रहेगा. नेक्स्ट, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी. The product of a rational number and 1 is the rational number itself. Means if we multiply any rational number with 1, we'll get the same rational number. That is called the multiplicative identity. So 1 is the multiplicative identity of rational number for multiplication. If P upon Q is a rational number, then P upon Q multiplied by 1 equals to 1 multiplied by P upon Q, that is equals to P upon Q. For example, minus 5 by 6 को अगर 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, we'll get minus 5 by 6 only. Clear? Next, property of 0. The product of the rational number and 0 is always 0. Any rational number है, उसको हम 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, we'll get 0. If P upon Q is a rational number, then P upon Q multiplied by 0 equals to 0 multiplied by P upon Q, that is 0. For example, minus 4 by 7 multiplied by 0 will get 0. Next, multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal of a rational number is called the multiplicative inverse of that rational number. If P upon Q is a rational number, then उसका multiplicative inverse क्या हो जाएगा? Q upon P. Multiplicative inverse of P upon Q is also written as p upon q की पावर -1 that is equals to q upon p. Since p upon q's power -1 that is equals to q upon p, so p upon q is the reciprocal of q upon p. p upon q क्या है, उसका उल्टा है q upon p का, and q upon p is the reciprocal of p upon q. So we can conclude these result by the above discussion. p upon q's to power -1 that is equals to q upon p. Clear? p upon q की पावर -1 है तो p नीचे आ जाएगा एंड q ऊपर चला जाएगा. p upon q's to पावर -1 की होल पावर -1 है. सो फर्स्ट क्या हो जाएगा, अगर इसको सॉल्व करेंगे जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर, बिग ब्रैकेट के अंदर, दैट इज q अपॉन p, अगेन नेगेटिव पावर तो p अपॉन q आ जाएगा. p अपॉन q मल्टीप्लाई बाय p अपॉन q की पावर -1. सो p अपॉन q मल्टीप्लाई बाय q अपॉन p दैट इज 1. क्लियर? टिप्स. A ratio is expressed in the simplest form. रेशियो को हमेशा हम simplest form में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. We will take an example. Find the multiplicative inverse of -7. -7 का multiplicative inverse लिखना है. Multiplicative inverse क्या हो जाएगा, -1 upon 7. Clear? So इस तरीके से हमें multiplicative inverse find out करना है. Next is exercise 2E. Multiply 9 upon 8 by 16 upon 27. So 9 upon 8 को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 16 upon 27 से. 8 1 8, 8 2 16, 9 1 9, 9 3 27. So 2 by 3 will be our answer. ये आ जाएगा, प्रोडक्ट सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में है तो that will be our answer. Clear? So you have to practice all the question of this exercise. You have to practice all the questions. Clear? Next is division of rational numbers. Division is the inverse process of multiplication. If p upon q and r upon s are two rational numbers such that r upon s is not equals to 0, then p upon q divided by r upon s that is equals to p upon q, जो साइन है वो हट जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई का साइन आ जाएगा, उसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा नेक्स्ट नंबर का जो साइन के बाद है. सो p upon q मल्टीप्लाई बाय s upon r. s upon r is the inverse of r upon s. p upon q is called the dividend, r upon s is called the divisor, and the result is called quotient. We'll take an example. Divide -11 upon 35 by 33 upon 25. So we have to divide -11 upon 35 divided by 33 upon 25. So जो भी साइन है वो किस में चेंज हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई में, एंड जो साइन के बाद जो नंबर है वो क्या हो जाएगा, इनवर्स हो जाएगा. सो -11 upon 35 मल्टीप्लाई 25 ऊपर आ जाएगा, 33 नीचे चला जाएगा, -1 and 3. क्लियर? सो ये क्या हो जाएगा जब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे 5 से एंड 7. सो -5 upon 21 will be our answer. Clear? Some more examples are given. You have to practice it. Next is properties of division on rational number. Some properties are given here. Property 1. If p upon q and r upon s are two rational numbers where r upon s is not equals to 0, then p upon q divided by r upon s is always a rational number. Property 2. For any rational number p upon q, p upon q divided by 1 will give you p upon q. Means किसी भी rational number को 1 से divide करेंगे, will get that rational number again. Next, property 3. For any non-zero rational number p upon q divided by p upon q means किसी rational number को same rational number से divide करें will get 1. Clear? Next, exercise 2f. Simplify. -4 अपॉन 11 डिवाइडेड बाय 12 अपॉन 33. डिवाइड करना है. सो -4 अपॉन 11 आ जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई का साइन, रेसिप्रोकेट हो जाएगा 33 अपॉन 12. -1 3, 11 से 11 कट हो जाएगा. सो आंसर विल बी -1. So you have to practice all the questions. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now you have to practice it.